Krishna will not tolerate offense to the people who are, therefore it is said, like Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was so powerful. But just because he touched his son Prahlad Maharaj, was destroyed. So tapasa, and the second thing is tolerance. The two qualities should go together. Then it is very sweet. Yes, tapasya means to get up in the morning in time, to attentively chant our rounds, correct? Participate in the Aarti Kirtans, whole day, and not involved in any kind of sense gratification, any kind of sinful activity, doing our duties and offering the result to Krishna. This is tapasya. But then we should have tolerance also. Because sometimes because of tapasya, people become proud. And then they get hurt. Like Durvasa Muni example. And Ambarish Maharaj, you look at it, tapasya, tolerance, eva tapasvi, savai manaha krishna padar vindiya. So simple, so sweet-hearted. So he is doing tapasya. And he is also tolerant. He won because of that. So at least us, we call ourselves Vaishnavas, don't be Kalichela. These two things please develop. One thing is tapasvi, other thing is tolerant. These two ornament. And then cultivate spiritual knowledge. These three things make a person actually a Vaishnava.